Hello friends, today we'll cover the topic alphabetical series. So an alphabetical series is nothing but a series of alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, then question mark. So the questions will be like you have to fill the blank space or replace the question mark with an alphabet. So this is an alphabetical series and you have to replace the question mark or fill the blank with an alphabet. So these kind of questions will be asked in the exams. To solve these questions, we need to find the shortcuts which are here, helping tools regarding the positions of alphabets. We all know there are 26 alphabets in the series. It starts with A, so A is given position number 1, B position number 2, C position number 3, and so on. X 24, Y 25, Z 26. Now, if I ask you what is the position of alphabet Q, you have to calculate it manually, which will take a lot of time. So here's the shortcut. You have to remember this shortcut, which is EJOT. EJOT. It is nothing but alphabets at a difference of 5 positions. E at 5, J at 10, O at 15, T at 20, Y at 25. So if I ask you what is the position of P, you'll say MNOP. So P comes after O is at 15, P will be 16. If I ask you the position of alphabet S, it will be like ST. So T is at 20, S will be at 19. So this is very helpful. EJOT. This will help you to solve the questions faster. Next technique or shortcut is to remember the corresponding positions of alphabet from beginning to end, like there is a series A, B, C, D, and so on till Z. Now the first position will be, of course, of A. So the corresponding first position, that is from right to left or from end, will be Z. So this will be at first position from end. This will be at first position from starting. Similarly, second position will be B. Second position from the end or second last will be Y. Similarly, third will be C, and third last position from the end or from right to left will be X. So we have to remember this. How do we remember this? With the help of the table given here. For example, we need to remember the corresponding positions with E. So with E, there is position of V. How do we remember this? With the shortcut evening. Similarly, for H and S, we need to remember high school, and so on. So I request you to pause this video, note down this table. It will be really helpful. So let's move to the questions now. Find the missing term in series. Pause the video, try to solve all the 4 questions given on the screen, and I hope you'll be able to solve it very quickly. Let's begin with question number 1. B, D, F, H question mark. The first alphabet is B, then they have left C. Next alphabet is D, then they have left one alphabet E. Next alphabet is F, they have again left one alphabet G. Next is H, so we have to leave one alphabet which is I. So our answer will be J. All they have done is leave one alphabet or plus one. Next question, UOI question mark A. Now we can't see any pattern given here if we look from left to right. But if we look from right to left, we can see the pattern very easily. A question mark IOU, which is nothing but vowel series. So it will be AEIOU. So E is the answer. Next question, BDC EGF HJI question mark. So let's look at the series. There's a pattern. B, the next alphabet is at third position. C, D. Similarly, E, next alphabet is at third position. So this is the catch here. The next alphabet, second alphabet will be at third position. I repeat, second alphabet is at third position. So H, now second alphabet is at third position. I, J. So we'll write K, second alphabet at third position. L, and third alphabet at second position. M. So this is the answer. Question number 4. A, C, F, H, K, M, question mark. Again there is a pattern here. A, they have left one alphabet, P and C. Now they have left D and E. Two alphabets here. Then they have written F, again missed one alphabet, G. Then they have written H. Again they have left two alphabets, I, J. Then K, again left one alphabet, L, then M. So now we'll leave two alphabets like they have left. N and O we have left. So the next will be P, and between those two alphabets they have left one alphabet like here B, G, L. So we'll leave one alphabet, that is Q, then R. So PR will be the answer. So I hope you were able to solve all the 4 questions. Now again pause the screen and try to solve these 2 questions. So the question number 5 says question mark UF XC ZA. Now there is a pattern corresponding position of alphabets. Like with A there is Z first from the starting and first from the end. Then C, X, third from the starting and third from the end, and so on. So this is corresponding position. Let's solve it. There's A, they have left one position. Then there is C. I'm talking about only this first. Then we'll find the corresponding position. Now they have left two alphabets, D, E, and they have moved to F. So we have to leave 3 alphabets now, G, H, I. Next alphabet will be J. And the corresponding position to this alphabet is Q. Jungle Queen is the shortcut which we have to remember from the table. So this is the answer, QJ. Question number 6. A, AB, ABD, ABDG, question mark. So there is a pattern. A, now 2 alphabets AB, now 3 alphabets A, B, but they have missed C here. They have written D. Then 4 alphabets A, B, D, G. So which alphabet they have missed here? E and F. 2 alphabets they have missed here. There were 4 alphabets here. So now there will be series of 5 alphabets, and this will repeat A, B, D, G. Here they left 1 alphabet. Here they left 2 alphabets. Now we have to leave 3 alphabets. H, I, J. So K we'll write here, and this is the answer. So I hope you were able to solve these 2 questions. Next is mixed alphabetical series. So questions very easy. Again pause the video, try to solve it yourself. I hope you'll be able to solve it. Question number 1 is AZ2 4CX V6E question mark. So we can see there's 2 here, then 4, then 6. So we know next we'll have 8. And first 2 was at third position, 4 was at first position, 6 was at second position. So now 8 will be at third position again. So these 2, which alphabets will replace this? This is again corresponding positions. A and Z have corresponding positions. V and E, that was for evening as per the table. Now there is again corresponding position which we have to find. So first was A, they missed B. Next there was C, they missed D. So next was E, we have to miss one alphabet here, F. So we'll have G here. So now the corresponding position to G is T, and the shortcut was GT road. So G and T will be here, GT8. So GT8 is the answer. Let's move to the next question. SMTWT question mark. So there is no direct pattern which can be seen. This is nothing but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So next will be Friday. So F of Friday. F is the answer. Question number 3. OTTFF question mark. So this is a tricky one. Here's the solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's the first alphabet. O, T, T, F, F. Now the first alphabet is S in 6. So the answer is S. So let's look at the letter repeating series now. In this series, letter will repeat quite often. So here the repetition will be very high. Let's try to understand this with the help of questions. Question 1. Which letter should come in the following letter series? A, B, C, A, B, C, D, question mark. Pause the screen, try to find out the pattern here. Here the pattern is A, AB, ABC, ABCD. So the pattern is plus 1 alphabet. So next will be A, B, C, D, plus 1 will be E. So which alphabet should replace the question mark? A. Very simple. Let's look at this question. Blank BCA, blank CA, blank C, blank B, blank. Try to find out the pattern here and find the answer. Here, total number of elements are 12. All these elements taken together, their total is 12. Now 12 is divisible by either 2 or 3 or 4 or 6. So you will find the pattern when you take 2 alphabets taken together at once, or 3 alphabets taken together at once, or 4 or 6. So if you are not able to find the pattern directly, you can take help of this. Total number of elements, they are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6. So pattern will be in the form of 2, 3, 4 or 6 elements taken together at once. You don't need to write this what I'm going to write. This is just for better understanding. If we take 2 alphabets at once, we'll get, so I have rewritten a question. We have to fill it with A cause A is in all the options. So we get AB, then CA, then we can fill it with A or B. So we cannot find the pattern here, A, B, C, A, AC or BC, whatever. So no pattern as per 2. If we take 3 alphabets together, we'll get, so I have rewritten the question. If we fill it with A, because it is in all the options, then we fill it with B, so this will give us ABC, ABC. Then we fill it with B again, it will also give us ABC, so we can see a pattern here, ABC, ABC, ABC. So we have filled the blanks with A, B, B, then we have to fill it with A and C, A, C. So A, B, B, A, C is the answer. When we took 3 elements or alphabets at once, we saw the pattern A, B, C. So fourth is the answer. So first try to find the pattern directly by observing the question. If you are not able to find it, then check the total number of elements and it is divisible by how many numbers, and you'll find the pattern as per those numbers. Pause the screen. First try to find the pattern directly. If not able to find the pattern directly, then write down the total number of elements. It is divisible by which numbers, and then you can find the pattern. So here in this question, A dash BB C dash AAB dash CCA dash BBCC. The total number of elements are 18. 18 is divisible by 2, 3, 6 and 9. These are elements taken together. Total is 18 divisible by 2, 3, 6 or 9. So now we'll find the pattern in the form of 2 alphabets taken together, or 3 alphabets taken together, or 6 or 9. Here if we take 2 alphabets, we'll get, here we can see CC is repeating, BB is repeating. So pattern can be like AABBCC. Let's try to find out. If we fill it with A, it is in option 2 and option 3. So we get AABB, then we fill it with C. So we are following option 2. So we get AABBCC. Then we have A, then we fill it with B. So we get again AABBCC. Then we fill it with A again. So ACBA, and the pattern is AABBCC. So it was in form of 2 alphabets taken together. I hope you were able to find the pattern. Let's look at the next question. BABBB blank B blank B blank BB. Here total number of elements are 12. So all these elements taken together, their total is 12. 12 is divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6. So pattern will be in this form. If we take 2 at a time, we get BA, then BB, then B dash. So if I fill this with A, I get BA, BB, BA. So I'm following third or fourth. Then I fill it with B again. So I get BA, BB, BA, BB. So third. Then I fill it with A. So I get a pattern BA, BB, BA, BB. So third is my answer. It is not necessary that we'll find the pattern by taking 2 alphabets taken together. Like we saw in the first question, we took 3 alphabets at once and then we found the pattern. So this is the answer, ABA. Let's move to next question. CC blank CCDD blank D blank CC blank CCDD blank DD. Here total number of elements are 20. Now 20 is divisible by 2, 4, 5 and 10. So instead of writing it this time, let's try to solve it directly. If we take 2 at a time, we get CC dash C dash CD dash D dash. So we are not getting any pattern here when we take 2 alphabets, CC dash C, CD, then D. So clearly no pattern. If we take 4 at a time, we get CC dash C, then CDD dash. Again, we can't see any pattern here. If we take 5 at a time, we get CC dash CC, DD dash D dash, CC dash CC, DD dash DD. So here, if we take 5, we are seeing a pattern. We fill it with C. So we get CC, CC, C. Then we fill these with D. We get D, 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 D. We fill it with C again and D. So here pattern was in the form of 5 alphabets taken together. So we filled it with C, D, D, C, D. So second is the answer. So if this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. Comment down below for your suggestions or queries. We are on Facebook. Our page is Cloud24 Academy. You can write to us. Our mail ID is cloud24academy@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.